today at London Centre for Aesthetic Surgery, and who are we going to be talking to? Dr. Mauricio Viel, a world-renowned cosmetic surgeon who I have huge respect for. Now, what do you normally look for when choosing a cosmetic surgeon for a non-invasive or an invasive procedure? In my opinion, I think ethics, credibility, honesty, and the quality of their work, of course, is a must. And in this case, Dr. Viel, I feel, has all four of these attributes. So I find it very important to highlight his professionalism and his caring attitude towards his patients here, as well as always striving to offer the best results, but still trying to maintain the most natural effects. So London Centre for Aesthetic Surgery was founded by the Viel brothers in London back in 2008. But the Viel brothers have been practicing as plastic surgeons since 1990. Now, I find this detail fascinating. They're twins, they're both plastic surgeons, and they've achieved great success in their field by being pioneers in certain procedures like facial rejuvenation, anti-aging medicine, and the revolutionary male surgical procedure, as well as also introducing the famous laser liposuction in the UK and UAE. That old saying of beauty is pain, definitely not always the case. So today we're going to be talking about a non-invasive treatment for those of you that maybe don't feel comfortable with having facial injections or a surgical procedure, but still want to achieve highly effective results. We're going to be featuring the collagenizing treatment. So let's go and chat with our beauty guru. Thank you for being with us today.
You're welcome. Thank you, Leonie.
It's a pleasure to see you as always.
Thank you. Thank you for being here in our clinic today as well.
I love it. You know, there's one thing I need to say before I start, because Dr. Viel is one of a kind in the sense that you might be always feeling that you come into his office needing loads of different treatments. But if he doesn't believe that you need them, he will tell you, come back and see me in 5 years' time. So that's what I was saying before when I was introducing you, that one of your best attributes is your honesty and your ethics in your work. That even though you're always trying, of course, striving to achieve the best results, always with the most natural effects as possible and never overdoing it.
Yeah, that has been always our basically core of our practice, to try to deliver results that achieve the expectation of the patient, at the same time is not on your face, literally.
Correct.
I mean, the improvement is there, you will see the changes, you will see the rejuvenation, you will see that you look younger, but always in a natural way.
You don't compromise on that side when you try to change the person's natural features, let's say.
No. In fact, what I always say, I'm not a transformer, but I am an enhancer. So I'm enhancing what I have in front of me, improving the proportion, improving the quality, rejuvenating, but always try to maintain the character of the person.
Yes.
And that's to me, that's the secret to deliver a result that is always long-lasting, because it's the patient. You're not going to create that patient as a different person or transform into a different person, because then we don't follow fashion. We follow the technology, we follow the improve in what is available on the market, but we don't follow the trends, the fashion.
Which is very good. So you always focus on enhancing the beauty, but you're not following the trends, because your ethics is, as you said, to always keep that person's character, their natural beauty, and you're just enhancing it.
Yeah, correct.
That's perfect. So we know that you are a beauty guru in all surgical procedures. You are known for this. But today we want to talk about a non-invasive treatment, because we know that there are many people out there that don't always feel comfortable with maybe having injections or a surgical procedure, but they still want a good skincare treatment to really achieve high effective results. So that's why today we're going to be talking, I believe, about the collagenizing treatment.
Yes,
right?
you're correct, Leonie. I mean, in the non-surgical world, there are a lot of treatments available.
Yes.
And it's like a jungle. over there, down there, because there are so many treatments. And sometimes the patient, they become very confused. What is the best? What can be achieved? But the bottom line, all the patients that are seeking non-invasive treatment, non-surgical treatment, basically are two: pain-free and quick results.
True.
So these are the common points that every patient seeking for non-surgical are looking for. So what we found recently that is a little bit away from all the main trend is this new treatment called collagenizing. That basically is very simple, but is able to deliver heavy molecules, heavy products, active ingredients like cream, serum, or other products through the skin, so that they can reach the cells inside under the skin without needles.
Oh, wow.
So I can do what I used to do with treatment that involved needles nowadays without needle, through this machine called Collagenizing, that they use some electromagnetic current that basically works on the envelope of the cells, and the difference in negative and positive of this electromagnetic current open up some doors on the membrane of the cells, so that these very active ingredients like vitamin C, like collagen, like PRP, they can penetrate under the skin inside the cells. And then when I remove the effect of this machine, these active ingredients, they are trapped inside the cells, so they can deliver the job they are supposed to do. So it's much more efficient, because if you want to achieve the same results and you apply only the cream on the skin, you need to apply a lot of products, and you need to wait a long time to have enough ingredient that goes through the skin and deliver the effect. Instead, with this machine, with no needles, we speed up all the process, because we open this double door. So all this cream, vitamin C, collagen, PRP, and other products, they can penetrate right under the skin and improve the elastin, improve the concentration of collagen, improve the thickness of the skin, and basically give you the clinical results of reducing fine lines, open pore, fine wrinkles, and also the pigmentations.
Oh wow!
And I found that is absolutely a great treatment that meet the expectation of the patient.
Really?
And we've been trying to use this treatment now for the last few months, and we are very happy patient. The skin improves dramatically over a period of time. But if you do, for example, the PRP, the platelets-rich plasma, or the vampire facial, as they call it, that a lot of people are still afraid because they see a lot of blood. I can do exactly the same with no blood or drop, not a drop of blood. And so it becomes much more of a relaxing experience for the patient. And I have a few patients that actually fell asleep during the treatment.
Oh really? Oh wow! It's that relaxing, huh?
It is relaxing.
Completely pain-free.
Basically, all the treatment goes inside and then stimulate the collagen, stimulation the elastin, and improve also the hyaluronic acid. And it's a very simple treatment, pain-free, and this has been a really big innovation in our clinic, definitely.
So it's using, as you said, it's through the molecular side of the product. So you use specific products that are based on collagen, that are based on elastin.
Yeah, at the moment we are using a product database with vitamin C, because vitamin C is an excellent antioxidant and approved also not to give a good clinical effect. So in the delivery it in this way, we can enhance these results and make the results appearing faster than if you use it instead as a topical cream only. Then collagen, because collagen will plump the skin. And then the PRP, because also the PRP, when you inject it superficially under the skin with needles, all the growth factor that will improve the production of new collagen and elastin, and all the benefit of the platelet-rich plasma technique.
Okay, but for that you don't need the needles. Like with the PRP, using it in the collagenizing.
Yeah, we don't need the needle.
Of course, right?
We still use the same technique that use electromagnetic energy.
Energy. And we say collagenizing, doctor, because collagen is the first substance that we start losing in our skin when we start aging, right?
Yeah, we're losing the collagen, then we show more lines, more wrinkles, the pupils are larger, the skin becomes drier, and we look older.
No.
Unfortunately.
He was very blunt there, yes. Okay, so collagenizing would be that perfect alternative for anyone that's looking for pain-free treatment. And how long-lasting are the effects, doctor?
You see, the protocol, when we're talking about collagenizing using vitamin C and collagen, that you need to do one treatment a week for 5 weeks to achieve a certain amount of vitamin C under the skin to produce the effect. But already after only one treatment, you already see the effect. So your skin is more radiant, more translucent, more thick, more smooth. But with the protocol is to do 5, and then you do one treatment once every month or 6 weeks, just to maintain the results.
Okay, excellent. To maintain the results, is there any home care needed for?
Yeah,
for
I mean,
treatment?
we suggest if you can also to keep using a product that use vitamin C or collagen to enhance and to maintain the effect, the therapeutic effect of the vitamin C.
Yeah.
So you can do your home care treatment also with vitamin C or collagen, or also with your own product that you use at home that you're familiar and that you like.
Okay, sounds really, really good. And is there any contraindications or side effect? Or
no, the only advice that we suggest, like with any topical vitamin C, the day of the treatment and the next day avoid the direct exposure to the sun.
Especially
because vitamin C, also if you apply topically, is photosensitive, so the skin then may become a little bit red. But only for the first 2 days.
Okay, and this treatment is recommended for any type of skin?
Yeah, for any type of skin.
And
for white, dark, any type of skin.
Is there any age? Any age, because you can start, let's say, preventing from a quite early age, correct?
Yeah, of course. Whenever you see, Leon, in our field, whenever you start earlier, you always have the best results.
Definitely.
Unfortunately, when we do any treatment later on in life, when we get a bit older, the results are not the same because our own, production of new collagen and elastin is not the same as it used to be. Also, our own growth factor are not as strong. Our stem cells are not as strong as before when we were younger. So whatever we do, we don't have the same results when we do it in our mid-20, mid-30 or early 40.
Yes.
So sooner we start with this type of preventative treatment, better it is.
For all of you that really do not wish to have an invasive procedure, but more of a non-invasive treatment that will help to maintain and enhance your collagen levels, you should definitely come in to London Centre for Aesthetic Surgery to have the collagenizing treatment with our amazing Dr. Viel. How does my skin look? Well, for one, it feels amazing. All I know is that when I walked in here this morning, it was looking so dull, and even though doctor said you need the 5 sessions to really feel the full effects of the treatment, just with 1 session you can already see the difference. I mean, my skin is glowing. It feels really good. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my interview today with Dr. Mauricio Viel, and I'll be seeing you very soon on the Spa Expert. Ciao!